Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect to Garmin IQ. Garmin Connect IQ is your go-to hub for personalizing your compatible Garmin device. Think of it as an app store, offering thousands of free apps, widgets, watch faces, and data fields. These additions can significantly enhance your device's functionality and appearance, making it truly yours. We'll guide you through the simple steps to get started and explore all the exciting possibilities. To begin, make sure your Garmin device is already paired with the Garmin Connect mobile application on your smartphone. Next, you'll need to download the dedicated Garmin Connect IQ Store application, available for free in your phone's app store. This separate application is your primary gateway. For those who prefer a larger screen, you can also conveniently browse and manage content directly through a web browser on your computer. Once you're in the Connect IQ Store application, you can easily browse through various categories such as watch faces, data fields, or full applications. When you find something you like, simply select it to view more details and user reviews. Then, tap the download or install button. The chosen content will then automatically sync to your Garmin device through the Garmin Connect application, usually within a few moments. Managing your downloaded Connect IQ content is straightforward. Within the Connect IQ Store application on your phone, you can easily view all your installed items. From there, you have the option to update, uninstall, or even reorder your applications and watch faces. If you encounter any issues, always ensure your Garmin device has enough available storage and a stable Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connection for successful syncing. Enjoy customizing your Garmin.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.